Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As a born Muslim, you must be familiar with the Quran. Read the Quran and know the meaning. Know the meaning in your language. Know the meaning in English. If you know the meaning, you will not misbehave. We only use Arabic to perform salat because Islam in Nigeria, Islam in Ghana, Islam all over the country, we are one identity. That is why we use Arabic to perform our salat. That is the unity between all the Muslims.
Thank you, my sister. This one is Sister Kudirat Okin, part 2. You understand? We hold on to Quran. We are introducing you to Quran. You know, when you read Quran, you know the Quran. You see the boldness in her. You know, when I saw this video, I was like, wow. You know, she because she know the truth, and she's Sister Kudirat Okin is one of the people I met on social media, and she been with me thick and thin. Even when some people are writing her that I just joined Islam to spy on Islam, that I am IPOB. There's nothing they didn't write to her. There's nothing she didn't see. But because she's holding on to this book, she noticed that whatever I'm talking is coming from this book. Say, oh, how can I be spying when everything I'm bringing out is something that is in this book? You know, you can see the boldness in her. That because she's holding Quran, she was able to stay close to me, you know, and without even me telling her, yes, I am indigene. If Nigeria decided to split today, I am Biafra. If Nigeria decided to split today, you know, my prayer is that if that will happen, I don't want kata. I want it done at the round table. And when I go back to my region, I will also present this book to them. I will also tell them the goodness in this book. And that is the reason why that you see us being bold. When she had all this about me, she still stayed bold with me, and she keep staying close to me on my platform. She did not relent. You understand? There was a lot of things said to her about me, but it surprises her because she's holding the truth. She did not see it from the angle of the choir masters. She did not see it from the angle of the bullies. She did not see it from the angle of the ignorant. You know, because she's holding this truth. You know, and she been of very strong support. Allah had made her a very strong support for me, because she sometimes open her WhatsApp. I join her in prayer sometimes. She's teaching me how to pray. She's walking this way with me. And I am so happy having her on my platform. So today is her day. I call it a day of Sister Kudirat Okin. I am celebrating this wonderful woman. So guys, see you on my next, on part 3 of Sister Kudirat Okin. Thank you.